In the green jungle, who's flying bright with cheerful sounds? What a joyful sight! Feathers of red, orange, yellow, and blue, shining and sparkling in sunlight too. Funny little parrot talking all day, calling my name in a cheerful way. Look, my dear, its wings so wide, flying like rainbows across the sky. Clap your hands, sing along with glee. Parrot is singing so happily. When sunset comes, it flies back home, whispering softly, "Good night, my friend." Parents and kids, come guess with me. Which animal next will it be?